Hey everyone, welcome back to Droop Drives. Today, we're going for a drive in this 2026 Volvo XC40 B4 Core. So the Core is the base model for the XC40, and in general in Volvos, the Core is the base model. I've gotten a video on the 2026 XC40 B5 Ultra, and that got, seems like a lot of people watch that video, so I'm going to try to get videos on the, I want to get videos on the other trims like this one, and I need to get a video on the Plus. So this one has the leather upholstery, but it'll come with the, either, I think it's wool on the base one. You have open port wood trim, which is nice for a base model. You have a good resolution backup camera, digital gauge cluster with built-in Google Maps, panoramic sunroof. Looks like the headliner's made out of, I don't even know what kind of material that is. That's actually interesting. Yeah, I don't know what that is. You have a little trash can, which I always liked in the XC40. I think that's really convenient. You can toss, like, if you have gum or whatever you have in there, and all you have to do is remove it and then throw it out. Pretty good center console storage, and I love the placement of the wireless charging tray. As you can see my phone right there, that's like perfect placement, and it's like a rubberized material, so your phone won't be flopping around in there, which I think is a great touch. But let's walk around this vehicle and see what it looks like. Let's look at the window sticker first. Actually, 2026 XC40 B4 front-wheel drive mild hybrid Core, 2-liter turbocharged direct injection engine with 8-speed Geartronic automatic transmission with 194 horsepower and 221 pound-feet of torque, 48-volt mild hybrid system with regen braking, and integrated starter generator with 13 horsepower, LED headlights, 12.3-inch driver display. Climate package, this one has leather upholstery, which is $1,100, 19-inch 5Y spoke matte graphite diamond cut alloy wheels for $800, panoramic roof's $1,000. Total retail price is $44,645, 27 miles per gallon, 25 city, 32 highway. The wheels actually look pretty good. Oh, and this color is called Forest Lake. Looks kind of nice. The XC40 is a good looking little SUV, always has been. You have the Thor's Hammer daytime running lights, of course, black grille on this one. Michelin Green X tires. You also have heated rear seats. That's very interesting. Not a lot of cars have heated rear seats, especially the entry-level models. That's cool. And I love the little storage pieces over there. You can fit a water bottle in there or whatever you want. Tires look good. And I like the way the wheels look. I like the little details on this car. I personally prefer the front of the car over the back. I think the front looks a lot better. And here's the trunk. So let's get out on the road and see what it's like to drive it. You also have 2 USB-C charging ports over there. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I believe it's wired though, or it might be wireless. Let's take it out. Acceleration is actually pretty good. Yeah, I mean, like with the mild hybrid system and the turbocharged engine, like this car, like it's really small too, so the pickup is, this thing, it's pretty good. Like you can drive around You can zip around traffic in this car. Like, look at this. It's very seamless acceleration. That's great. Very good response. The car does not feel sluggish at all. If you're trying to overtake someone in traffic or get somewhere, you know, go through multiple lanes of traffic, this car was not going to inhibit you from doing so. Especially for only having like 190 horsepower. That's very impressive. Very, very impressive. Look, great acceleration. I did not expect that at all. This is probably a really good commuter car, especially for like if you're trying to get like your 16-year-old daughter a car or something. This would be a great car. Volvos are the safest cars on the road. It definitely looks like a nice car a high schooler would like. You know, like, this is nice. Like, I would feel great about putting my daughter, if I had like a daughter in high school and needed to give her a car, I'd feel really good about putting her in an XC40 or an XC60. You also have, you know, built-in Google Maps, everything you need in here. Nice. Very nice acceleration. Because of the car's size, it's very easy to turn around corners and maneuver, and the steering feels good too. Overall, it's a nice car to drive. Like, this is not one of those cars where just because it's a small SUV with like 200 horsepower roughly, it's gonna be sluggish and slow and bad to drive. This car is very nice to drive. I'm very impressed with it. And it's really quiet in here. For its price point and for being an entry-level model, the noise deadening is really good. Like, it's quiet. This car does not feel noisy at all. Road noise is pretty limited. This is great. See, look at that. Great acceleration. I'm very, very impressed. What the? That's awesome. I like how the camera turns on when you come into a parking spot or slowing down a little bit. Overall, this Volvo XC40 B4 Core was very nice to drive. I think it's a great little car. Thanks for watching another video of Dhruv Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and be sure to check out the link to Grub's family dealerships and Grub's Volvo cars in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own XC40.